Oh boy, perspective, everybody's favorite fundamental. Hey, I'm Taylor Payton with thebeginnerdrawingcourse.com. Welcome to lesson 6 of the Beginner Drawing Course Shorts. More artists struggle with perspective than depression, probably. That was a joke, I think. Anyway, the most common forms of perspective are 1, 2, and 3-point perspective. The points refer to the dot or dots that all of the guidelines trace back to. But not everything is made out of cubes. That's okay because we can fit almost anything we want to make into cubes and grids. Here's 1-point perspective, here's 2-point perspective, and here's 3-point perspective. Drawing characters, creatures, or buildings and machinery within our guides is totally doable. We can also break cubes into cylinders. Do you see how important shapes are? Your assignment is to do 100 cubes in 1-point perspective, 75 cubes in 2-point perspective, and 50 cubes in 3-point perspective. Happy drawing!